Okay, let's see the sky deck. All right. So the sky deck, very cool. Oh wow, this is great views. This is great. So there's the garage that's over there, and we just saw it in another video. And really cool. I like this room. I like that it's open because it's partially open here, and you've got a really cool lake that's over here. And by the way, just down there, you see it right over there. That's the Cowboys practice facility, the Star, along with all of the dining and restaurants that's over there at the Star. It's kind of like a mini. We have several of these in the area, but there's Legacy West, there's Granite Parkway, there's the shops at Legacy, so that's another one right there. But this one's in walking distance, so this is great. And then this is the look and feel. So how casual, how cool. This is really fun. There's a TV there, and this would be fun to kind of catch some games, basketball games, football games, and weekend games. So let's walk in. There's also, I like it that it's got the open, but then it's got this closed part too. So that kind of makes it complete. I like that a lot. So we've got this great kitchen. This would be great for just games, enjoying the games, or then also. I'm sure you could rent this.
Yes.
Rent this out. Okay.
All the clubhouses are reservable.
Yeah. So.
For this one in particular, there are Bluetooth speakers in the ceiling.
Oh, nice.
You can utilize any mobile device to control that, and also the TV there.
Really nice. I like it a lot. Okay. And this would be fun to. Let's see. Are there plugs? Yeah, you could work from here.
Yes, you can.
So nice. Okay. So this would be
And
cool.
you mentioned the garage rolling up.
Mm-hmm.
The duality.
Nice. Love it. Okay. Very cool.